right, you got real dim on this side. No high beam. That side looks real good. Maybe a bad ground. Was it zip tied?
Yeah, man.
Sweet.
Sweet zip ties.
So we got to trim that bucket too?
No, I don't think so.
No, I mean the inner metal, just that bucket.
Well, otherwise there's no way to adjust it. But this is busted, so we're gonna have to.
Might need a new trim ring.
Might need a new trim ring for this one.
And both guys here are working on the headlights. Lots of subtle modifications here to get these headlights to fit. I had to cut the whole back out of this and tweak out a few little flanges in here. You step this one in, you can still adjust it. A little more work than we thought, as usual.
A lot more work.
Clear.
Clear. Contact.
Contact. Oh yeah, baby. All right, we've been working all day. Give me some headlights. That one, the inner lights aren't coming on. The two little up and down ones. Now it's out.
Is that already been cleared over there?
Yeah. All right, so this is where we're at right now on Big Blue. We put a couple miles on it, and we got another coolant leak on the radiator there for the hose. I gotta get that tightened up, and Dave's still working on buttoning up all this wiring, but we got the top powered up again, and we just have to go through all this wiring, fish out what we don't need, which is probably all of that. And then get all those wires over there buttoned up and in their sleeves and everything. But this car is just about ready to head off to get carpet put in, and I think he's going to have a new top put on it too while it's there. And then when we get it back, we'll put the interior in, get the hood on. Actually, we'll probably put the hood on this weekend before we send it out. So it's pretty exciting. We've been working on this car for a year, so to see it running and driving and all that is pretty awesome. What are you doing, Dave?
We're vacuuming down the AC system, verify we got no leaks, and put a nice coal on it and dry it out before we charge it up.
Alright, no sense wasting Freon. She's getting there, guys. She's running, driving, we're just buttoning up some electrical here, getting ready to charge the AC. Then it's off the carpet, and then we'll put the dash back when the carpet comes back. When the car comes back from the carpet, get all the interior back in and start taking it for rides. I wanted to say also that the little shop engine mounts and headers fit perfect on this car. We had a little trouble at first. We had the transmission bracket backwards, which moved everything forward. Once we figured that out, it moved it back and it fit perfect around the steering box. I just wanted to put that out there. We sell the kit on our website, DetroitDeviant.com. So don't forget, if you need any of these Coyote swap parts, check us out there. And let's get into the finish of this build. we got Alan here from Trim Tech. What's up, Alan? Putting in the jute. They call it jute, right? G-U-T-E. It's like a padding, and then it's gonna put the carpet in. We didn't buy a kit. We're doing it custom because of the larger custom transmission area and larger tunnel. So get this carpet in, and then we can get the seats back in. Alright, seats are going back in. Carpet guy finished this morning. There's a lot of trim work and stuff that needs to be redone, like these things need to be re-dyed or painted or something. But the owner's going to work on that later. So we're just putting it back together for now. Alright, we're replacing the springs, so we're just doing a little cleanup on the arm there. We're going to get some paint on it. Didn't really get cleaned up during the sandblasting. Alright, so Eric just finished putting all new shocks, bushings on the whole front. It's got new ball joints, all new sway bar bushings, went through everything. And 3-inch lowered springs if it had a 462. With the Coyote, it's so much lighter. So we're hoping that it just kind of sits level. So let's see what it does here. Trying to move back here. Here's my car. Oh yeah. Looking better so far. Yeah. It's a little high in the back.
That might be from the new shocks too.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that looks cool like that. Hopefully he's digging that. He digs that. I think it looks good.
Yeah.
I mean, way better than it did.
That was all.
Cool. Dave's working on the AC, getting the AC all charged up. The Restomod Air kit. So quiet. Alright, Deon's here taking his car for a ride. Alright, so we're doing some other work on Big Blue today. Making a custom little bracket here, Dave is, for the flipper panel on the convertible. It had some little chintzy piece of aluminum sheet metal that was not working so swell.
Yep.
Nice job, Dave.
Thanks, Jim.
Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and click that notification bell. You know how it is, so that you get notified every time I put up a video. I try to upload videos every Monday morning at 8 a.m. So you have all week to watch it. Peace out, guys.